Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Students, this is your science book which is Science Fact 5.1. Students, we have been starting the second chapter which is Life and Living Things. Today we will do the exercise of chapter number 2 which is Life and Living Things on the page number 29. So let's start. The question number 1 is multiple choice questions, and the question 1 is the number of different kinds of animals on earth is roughly. The answer of this question is D, which is 1,500,000 is the correct option, and encircle this answer. The question number 2 is when using a microscope, which of the following combinations of lenses gives the highest magnification? स्टूडेंट्स, जब भी हम माइक्रोस्कोप यूज़ करते हैं तो हम कम्बिनेशन ऑफ लेंस यूज़ करते हैं, जिसमें एक लेंस जो होता है उसे हम आईपीस कहते हैं और दूसरे को ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस कहते हैं। अब आपने ये बताना है कि हम कौन सा कम्बिनेशन यूज़ करेंगे लेंस का कि हमारे पास ज़्यादा मैग्नीफिकेशन आए। डी इज़ करेक्ट, विच इज़ 10 times आईपीस and 10 times objective lens. Question number 3 is which of the following is not present in an animal cell? Students, cell membrane is also present in animal cell, cytoplasm is also present, and nucleus is also present in the animal cells, while the chloroplast is only present in plant cells. So the B option is correct, and encircle the B option. The question number 4 is which of these parts control what goes on inside a plant cells? Students, वो कौन सा हिस्सा है जो प्लांट सेल्स के अंदर जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज़ हो रही होती हैं उसको कंट्रोल करता है? Nucleus is act as a brain of the cell that control all the activities of the cell. So the correct answer is C, and encircle the option C. The question number 5 is which of the following carries message around the body? Students, we know that nerve cells carries message from one part of the body to another part of the body. So the correct option is B. So encircle the B option. The question number 2 is true or false. Students, we write F for false and T for true. The question number 1 is all living things carry out the same life process. Yes, it's true, and we write the T for true. The second one is energy is released from the food in a process called excretion. No, it's wrong, because energy is released from the food during the process of respiration. So it's wrong, and we'll write F for false. The third one is all cells have a cell wall. No. Students, we know that animal cells have no cell wall. So it's false, and we write F for false. The fourth one is multicellular organisms are made up of millions of cells joined together. Students, we know that multicellular organisms are made up of millions of cells, and it's true, and we write the T. The fifth one is red blood cells have a large surface area to pick up lots of oxygen. Yes, it's true, because रेड ब्लड सेल्स के पास ज़्यादा सरफेस एरिया होता है ताकि वो इजीली ऑक्सीजन को कैरी करे और हमारी बॉडी के अंदर एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ट्रांसफ़र कर दे. सो इट्स ट्रू, एंड राइट द टी फॉर ट्रू. द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज राइट द करेक्ट लाइफ प्रोसेस अलॉन्ग साइड ईच डिस्क्रिप्शन. स्टूडेंट्स, ये आपके पास कुछ लाइफ प्रोसेस दिए गए हैं, आपने इनको यूज़ करते हुए यहाँ पर देखना है कि कौन से लाइफ प्रोसेस इन डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ मैच होते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. प्रोड्यूसिंग मोर ऑफ द सेम काइंड, अपने जैसे नए जानदार पैदा करना क्या कहलाता है? रिप्रोडक्शन. सो राइट द रिप्रोडक्शन हेयर. चेंजिंग पोजीशन, अपनी पोजीशन को चेंज करना, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना, इट्स कॉल्ड मूवमेंट. सो राइट द मूवमेंट. इंक्रीज इन साइज. Students, here you can see the growth process of the plant. So write the growth, because it's a life process in which growth any animals can increase its size. The fourth one is releasing energy from food is known as respiration. We know that during respiration the food molecule is break down and they release the energy. The fifth one is reacting to something. response. So write down the response. The sixth one is getting rid of waste. वेस्ट मटेरियल्स को खारिज करना, इट्स कॉल्ड एक्सक्रीशन. सो राइट द एक्सक्रीशन. द लास्ट वन इज टेकिंग इन फूड और रॉ मटेरियल्स. स्टूडेंट्स, टेकिंग फूड इज नोन एज फीडिंग. सो राइट द फीडिंग. Students, today we will cover the question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 of the exercise of chapter number 2, which is life and living things. I hope you will mark the correct answer. Stay safe at your homes and keep praying for your country. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.